Yo, it's good. It's your boy Trumpito. I'm here to announce I came on the 130th anniversary of the Bodega Boys podcast to do one thing and to announce that I'm the newest signee to good music. Kanye's here. He's here to make America great again and make rap music great again, starring me because I'm the illest MC of all times. Trumpito. I got bars for days. I got bars for weeks. Niggas his ass cheeks. Yo, Kanye, do you have anything to say?
It was something about when I put this hat on, it made me feel like Superman. You made a Superman. That's my favorite.
No, just sit there. Just sit there with your hat tilted and look like a fool. You fucking buffoon. I own you all. I'm gonna destroy this country. I'm gonna drive it into the ground, but not before I go platinum in the streets, motherfucker. This is episode 130 of the Bodega Boys. Do the motherfucking drop. I'm lit. Me and Little Pump got a joint coming out next summer. It's gonna rule all summer. Coming out with a reggaeton joint too. Holla. Yeah.
Episode 130.
Nigga, we at Milk Studios.
Live from Milk
La
Studios.
Leche, La Leche.
Look at the irony. We're lactose intolerant.
Yeah.
So now I'm lactose intolerant. I'm also just intolerant of specific ethnic races that I can't say because we're getting money now.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Also, shout out to all my Latina mommies. I got that leche for you, mommy.
I don't even know what that means. Is that like heroin? Is leche like semen?
Yeah. Leche, la leche materna.
This is why older white people vote Republican. They hear shit like that and they're like, we're losing this fucking country. That's not what milk means. Milk used to be a decent beverage delivered by white Anglo-Saxon men to your doorstep in a bottle every day. And now look at it. Yeah. Now it means semen.
No, it means semen.
Disgusting. We're losing this country. We're losing our women.
White genocide!
White
genocide! Coming to Nassau Coliseum!
You know what it is? Economic anxiety! Whoa! I was on the LIW war and I seen MS-13.
Somebody gotta go back there and hit that cymbal mad hard like.
That's right, we're at Milk Studios. We got instruments.
You know what I'm saying?
Give it 4 weeks, we're about to be the new Roots.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I have the chew stick in my mouth and playing the drums and shit.
With the hoodie on no matter the weather.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
As we now proceed and continue to rock the mic. I'm gonna get Ray Ayers in here on the xylophone and shit. Erica Badu come with the head wrap.
Ubiquity, my nigga.
You know what it is. Woo. Woo. Everybody loves the sunshine. Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tyrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go.
Hey.
Chris Ass from Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Bullshit's Gully, Slow But Damn, I Know You, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ for you, Mr. Don's with Rondo, 1994, Nueva York, Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, MC Little Gunga, P.
Yeah.
Ugh. Listen. Yeah. It's a little hot here, bro.
Yeah, it's getting hot. It's getting hot. But when you deliver a fuego, it's always hot, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Temperature rising. Like my man Mop, you know what I'm saying?
Somebody I might know you, bitch.
Talk to
Young
him.
Day Hopper.
Talk to him.
Young Hot Take, DJ Figure, Mr. Don's around middle. That's it, right? Because I was pulling up for 40 with your shorty.
That's right.
And then we got in the Uber pool. And what happened? Someone tried to talk to me.
And you know what happens when you try to talk to a motherfucker in the Uber pool?
I ignore you.
You don't know them.
I don't know you. I was busy on my iPhone. I was looking at screen time and trying to pretend like I don't spend 40 minutes every day on social media. So I went on Reddit and just got some references and shit. You know what I'm saying? Act like I'm woke. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. The Desus Racine, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa.
Yo.
Young Chakuli without the coolery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, okay.
Okay,
Three Phone Jones, D-Seg Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, and Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. What's gonna burn your skin off, especially if you use it around the chocha area.
Yes.
Getting out of the trapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. You know what I mean? Blurry, like, if you hit that little button, it don't get better.
It doesn't.
No, you can't even read the graphics on the Pinot.
The little settings that says like 240, 480,
it just says 240.
It just says
240 and automatic. You hit automatic, it's like, oh, we in 240.
Yeah,
that's all you're getting.
That's all you get, homie.
Is that a dick? Is that an elbow? You don't know.
You don't know.
You don't know.
You don't know.
People had problems back in '94 when they was making them obsession fucking West Coast production videos.
Yeah, it's a West Coast production. Mr. Marcus invented fucking with your hat on.
Yeah. Shit. DJ Woolite, if you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got a little thought bop. We got 24 hours of whom we got here.
Who do we got?
All you church kids know, little
coming up next.
Little Electric Red.
Oh my God. Yes,
Some of y'all are really embarrassed because you and your homegirls danced to that at the talent show, and then y'all look at the video, you was like, damn, we was wildin'.
Damn, those are terrible outfits.
Why do we crimp our hair so much? Girl, why you got like 5 inches of baby hair pieces there? What's going on there? You're like, that was the look.
That was the look, yo.
That was the look.
Everybody was using Elmer's glue back then.
The curry goat, these are spices. Jamal Hasper and the Bronx, Celine Dion, Rhea nephews, never the Marino, you can't contain a human memory, word to job, young era on the race of provocateur, Henrik Blood, Cousins, Mandela, Surgery, can't see me, Vladimir Boof it. Pull the cheeks apart, just put it in there.
Yeah.
Listen. That's the hood American Express, if you know what I'm saying. Demon Worth is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex, Decative, Ricky T. Squabby, Greg Popovich.
Oh my God.
More says Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Cash Nova. William H. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Forget the small change, cuz. Give me big money wine. It was E40 at a Caribbean. The only anthem I salute. Go dumb on a 3-family house. 2 tenants. The only anthem I salute is Zip Zip. Mississauga, catch me at square one, top left, man.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Sure, Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. Soft Punch, all I do is count checks and jerk off. Yeah. We got OJ, purple stuff, soda, and it's
what's
me,
that?
Sonny D.
Oh, right.
Don't want that Chinese food. It smells bad. David Yerman. These expensive. These are red bottoms. These are bloody shoes.
Oh, shit.
Smokeem Noah. Yeah. Andrew Kuhn. And they hit a junior. Energy God Jr. come send down.
Yo, sit upon it. You can do wireless or wired, whichever you prefer.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip is I said, nah, I'm not paying. I'm not buying a peak ticket.
Nah.
I'm buying a non-peak ticket.
This is a rip-off. This is a rip-off.
Fight me at Hempstead, you coward. I'm not getting off this train.
These peak tickets are a ripoff.
Oh, y'all trying to get home? Y'all trying to see the Rangers game? Not on my watch, all right?
Fuck you.
Yeah, call the cops.
Call them.
I'll fight everyone in this quiet car. I don't give a fuck.
Listen, I'm the comptroller of Selden, Long Island.
You know who I am? I run Larchmont. AKA Grandpa Joe. When you see Charlie, you see me, all right? If you see my cat. If my cat is taking an OD shit in a box and making direct eye contact with you, feel blessed.
Feel blessed.
You know what I'm saying? Also, if you're pregnant, don't change that because you get like
some weird thing. Yeah,
your baby come out with
a little head.
Yeah, it's not Zika, but your baby come out like
kind of Zika-ish.
They come out looking like an X-Men but without the X-Men powers.
Yeah,
sad.
It's like damn, this nigga look like a Nightcrawler, but he can't teleport. Damn.
Miss chopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe in the black easy attic. Crack your back like an automatic craftsman. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina, refresh Mr. Marina, cold demeanor, aka you're problematic, babe. Don't clean your boiler before you turn it on this season. That is something the Jews set up to make you spend more money.
Oh, that's right. That's true. I broke my fast by cleaning my boiler, and I feel bad about it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's your boy. We're here. Milk Studios.
Milk.
Episode 130. This is the jam room, motherfuckers. This is where it all goes down.
Jam.
You know what I'm saying? I'm about to fucking graffiti all over this motherfucker. It's your boy, the K Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Trees Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your dog, ask me if I give a fuck, nigga. No, I do not. At Peter on Twitter, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'll destroy anybody in my mentions. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. A.k.a. don't need to check the motherfucking guest list, nigga. I am the guest list. I just got nominated for a country music award, motherfucker. Just so I could go over there and be like, fuck white people. You know what I'm saying? On some hateful shit.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? It's a.k.a. CC Dad Bathia, a.k.a. getting to the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I got Mero 4 doing combine drills with Saquon, only 3-year-old benching 250. Solid nickel. You know what I'm saying? You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year and I don't care about CTE. A.k.a. Ben Smack me on boy. A.k.a. Diego Merodana. A.k.a. Dick in your baby. But you know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me now unless you bring me 30 goats and they must be skinned. Pre-skinned. Okay? A.k.a. the new coach of the Knicks, you know what I'm saying? David Trisdale. Pow, pow. Nigga, take that for data. A.k.a. Barlow Zantana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. The Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on that motherfucker. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both. You know the fuck I am. I was the voice of Skeletor, Masters of the Universe. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. So zany. Let me black out. I'll expose myself to your mother on stage. I don't care. United Palace, nigga. Come through. Fight me outside. I got Chelsea boots. I don't care this way. A.k.a. Lighten El Dutchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and take a five. So get the fuck out of my face, nigga. I live in a cul-de-sac now, B. Don't even come over here with a $5 bill talk about I got 5. Get out of here, bro. Pull up with an ounce of bounce. That's the mantra. Pull up with an ounce or bounce. A.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. A.k.a. feel the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially your Milky Way. of discharge. I don't even care what it's from, y'all.
A lot of cream references. A lot of cream references on this podcast.
You know what I mean? I don't care if it's truffle butter. I don't care if it's fucking BV. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. frying on Messi, MVP of Gelato. Yeah. A.K.A. Zeno Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? If I see you eating non-toilet Roma, nigga, you don't know me. A.K.A. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your cerebral cortex with an elephant scrotum so you can finally have the balls to think for yourself, you jive turkey motherfucker. Candy, get the strap. A.K.A. open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is. It's some motherfucking Zen, man. It's gonna A.K.A. Lucius Lyon ass nigga. Come on, man. Of course I don't know her. Why is she here naked? I don't know, man. Come on, man. Let's figure this out together, baby. Come on. We made it so far together. Let's do this, man. It's ride or die. A.K.A. Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. A.K.A. Nino Brown, shut the car down. A.K.A. live from the C-Town on Sedgwick, holding open the door for patrons. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his hits like I wanna be the one your TT is sucking and Dope Sick Love, come back to me. And you know it is, man, straight from across the pond, mate. There's no more rock stars left. It's only the Bodega Boys, and one of which is I. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, doing reggaeton songs like my name is Drake. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. A.K.A. starting at forward, the people's champ, something like a baller. It's Barmelo's Anthony for 3 pints. Swish. Whoa, he's leaning. If you see me at Target, smack, asking what's the biggest TV they got while my kids cop iPads on their own accord, approach me like a fucker Ursine mammal, nigga. I will react aggressively, very aggressively. A.K.A. I'll soak vaguely into your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off an old diaper I squeezed into some Gatorade. I was in a hurry, dog. I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? I'm just phoning it in at this point. A.K.A. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de Tita en FIFA, coño, el más loco. Estoy desacatado para el 2000 forever, mamagüevo. No le voy a bajar ni un chin, coño. Fue Chucky que vine, coño. Ponte claro para no dejarte tirado. Y para los lambones, buscando sonido. No fuerce, manito, que de cocoto con el colín oxidado, mamá huevo. Cógelo con take it easy. This is episode 130, motherfucker. The higher we go to the heights, motherfucker. Así que estate suave, okay? Motherfucker. Lost me tonight. Friday, every Friday.
Yes, episode 130. First, we got to start with apologies that are owed to me by the Yankees because you guys did not fulfill what I had talked cash shit on the internet and say you guys were going to win. Yeah. And then I was looking stupid out there at game 4.
Yeah.
With jersey on. Niggas deliver on base.
Yeah.
So, you know.
I mean, but you know what?
It's still 27 rings. Suck my dick from the back.
Yeah, nobody's even close.
And some of you going to be like, oh, you weren't alive for those rings.
Fuck you.
Your mother wasn't alive for that ring. So fuck that too. How about that?
How about that?
Your mother should have been alive for the Nuva ring so you wouldn't be here, you piece of shit. Get out of here.
Garbage.
I'm just drunk fighting people outside. Yeah. So yeah, playoffs is done. It's Knicks tape season though.
Yeah, it's Knicks tape season.
So about the Knicks.
Yeah, that's right.
Because the Giants apparently don't know how to fucking play football.
They forgot. They thought that they could just have Saquon Barkley run every single play and beat the team by himself, but they forgot that there's 30 other niggas on the field.
Does not work like that, Saquon. That's a good it's a good football name though.
Yeah, Saquon Barkley for sure.
You're not gonna be a Rhodes Scholar with that name.
Yeah, like, I would not. I would draft him based on name alone.
That nigga's not going to Oxford. I'm sorry. Okay, we're not gonna be there with like him talking about I came up with a vaccine for polio.
Yo, I'm going to Full Sail, my nigga. I'm learning how to be an engineer. You know what I'm saying? I'm a master my own shit. You know what I mean?
Damn.
I got my mixtape. I'm recording. You feel me? Like shit's gonna be fire.
Yo, your man Kanye was in the building with our guy Trumpito.
He's here. Kanye came to pay homage to the one and only Messiah.
Kanye don't even make music no more. What is his, like, what's his angle now?
Well, I invited Jesus and he declined, so I brought Jesus instead.
I mean, damn, man. He got the custom MAGA hat, too.
He got the slump MAGA hat. He got the MAGA hat that he threw in the hamper by accident and it just went through the wash.
Yeah.
And now it just looks like a red, irritated baby scrotum. Like, yo, like, nah.
That's the white guy I take. That's the white guy I take baseball serious hat.
Yeah.
You look at it and it should be all dirty. It should be
Mad
like,
dusty.
Why you wear that dusty ass hat? He'd be like, I always wore this hat when I went to games with my father. You're
yeah.
like, oh, shit, damn.
Man. Mickey Mantle signed this hat.
Damn,
Like,
sorry,
yo,
man.
Fuck that nigga.
I'm sorry, man.
He was racist.
You was trying to build some legacy with your pops with that hat. I didn't mean to flame it, boy.
Kanye came through with the Woody Allen version of the MAGA hat. Like,
yep. The hat you get after you make problematic choices with your adopted kids.
yeah.
Huh?
Oh man, his hat was looking like a prolapsed anus. Nigga, just like a mess.
Head. Well, I mean, to be fair, Woody Allen kind of looks like a prolapsed anus.
He is.
So
no, he's a living, breathing prolapsed anus.
But he still makes movies and people still see him for some reason. So
I don't understand it.
I don't know. Maybe
it's one of the great mysteries of the world. Like, why do people watch Big Bang Theory?
Are Woody Allen movies the equivalent of Caddyshack?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. They are trash. And it's also funny because Woody Allen always makes it so that he is like a neurotic, like emaciated Jewish nerd, and he always gets like the baddest bitch in the movie. Mm-hmm. Like, that's not real life. Kevin James ain't.
I gotta take your
James,
word for that. I've never seen a Woody Allen movie.
Kevin James isn't like. I've read about them. Like, I've never seen like Annie Hall. Like, I know the names of them. Mm-hmm. Like Annie Hall and like whatever the fuck else. I don't know.
I get Annie Hall and Webster Hall confused. So
yeah.
They'll be like, yo.
I don't know.
I was like, yo, I used to party there, man. I went there for SantaCon.
Yo, Annie Hall was lit, yo. Fucking Daddy Yankee was performing, yo. The shit was off the hook, bro. Gasolina had just dropped. You know what I'm saying? I seen the titty.
Speaking of Gasolina, our new king of reggaeton has hit the streets straight
That's
from
right.
the six. He came back from Ireland after
six,
losing with Conor McGregor,
You know what I'm saying?
who got the brakes fucking beat off him by Kababble. I don't know his name. Fuck it.
Kabul, something Kabul. Shout out to him. He's a Russian Muslim, and he was like, "Yo, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar." Like after the race, he's like, "I know you motherfuckers don't want to hear this shit, but suck my dick."
Yeah.
Allahu Akbar, nigga, what up?
Yeah. Shout out to him. He's
Keeping
good.
it funky.
He's keeping it funky. He's a good representative for that country, except for the fact that he bangs with the president of Chechnya, who is doing an ethnic cleansing campaign against gay people. So there's no real winners here. But I just like to see people beat the brakes off each other, and the fact that I illegally streamed that,
it felt better.
made it so much better.
So much better.
Because usually at the end, you're just like, oh, the game's, it's over. He climbed over the ring.
Yeah.
He's fighting in the ring. Niggas got jumped. Anytime last time I seen an Irish person get jumped like that, I was at a Rambling House in Woodlawn. And I was like, God damn.
Is this how y'all do?
I was like, damn. I was like, yo, what are y'all doing? It's Wednesday morning.
Yo.
Just jumped somebody at the bus stop. It was like a 7-year-old drinking a Guinness Stout. It's like, damn.
Yo, shout out to
go hard.
Shout out to Bronx Irish people, dog. Like, y'all are different because like y'all are like
illegal because they're illegal. Yeah, just keep it funky.
Yeah, you're wild illegal, and like you will
actually
not
nobody's
to
illegal.
Off.
No one's illegal. They are undocumented.
Nah,
you go there like I'm illegal. I'm not going back.
I'm legal. You can suck my cock from the back. I don't care.
Eat my potato. I'm not going back to Ireland.
I don't care. I'm a local union force.
Put back on the House of Pain.
Get out of here.
Not House of Pain. Jump around. House of Pain with what's his name? Pain Medea.
Yeah.
I'm Black Irish. I get that humor.
I get it. I understand it. You know.
Purple
Hoshers and purple rainbows.
Hey, look at that boy over there. He's off his tits. It's a great.
Shout out to Irish dudes just like being like basically washing each other and fighting in the street and like never getting in trouble. Like I never see on new stuff like
because they don't press charges.
George or Galligan has fought Scott McGilligan on Woodlawn. His eyeball was removed from his skull. I'm Jessica Cunningham here live on the scene. What's going on here?
I mean, they don't press charges against each other. They keep, they respect it. They respect the code.
The G code.
Beat each other up and then just go back in the bar and have another stout.
They respect the potato code.
Another pint.
A pint, mate.
And go make up with your whack girlfriend. But you're so drunk, she's hot.
She's hot, yo, even though she looks like...
She's got the tongue piercing, even though it's 2018. You're like, yeah, ma.
God.
Yeah, keep that thing flicking. Yes.
Yeah, I took it on my back, kill little asshole.
Yo, shout out to Raccoons. They're having a big week.
Yo, they're out here doing it, killing dogs and shit, wilding out, eating garbage and shit.
Raccoons will lure the raccoon in the Yonkers that lured a dog to a pool and held him under to kill him.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's wild. I had to go buy Brownie a gun.
That's crazy.
Like, yo, protect yourself at all times.
How your dog gotta do stand your ground? dog just checking the house like, what's up?
Yeah.
Yo, get off this porch.
Yo, my
You
man.
live around here?
You getting a little close to that garbage. You getting a little close to that garbage.
To that raccoon catch him slipping like, shh. Don't fight it. Just go under. Just embrace it. Imagine your raccoon fucking choking out your dog and drowning him while making direct eye contact at you like, do something, pussy.
I just sent my kids out there like, yo, go handle my light work and shit. Like,
a raccoon will fuck up a kid.
Nah, Mero 4, man. That nigga's a throne.
A raccoon has teeth and claws. A raccoon will fuck a kid up.
I got 4 machetes in my garage and 4 kids.
Yeah, raccoon gonna come out with one of the machetes. Raccoon gonna come out like, what? Who your bumbleclot play with? You like, oh shit. Yo, he got the strap. He got locked the door, run on the second floor and shit.
And I just hit the emergency button. My pops come through like, fan man, like, ¿qué pasó aquí? Like, he just ripped the raccoon's head off with his bare hands and shit, then put the shit on his spit.
They got
like,
a lie
papi, vamos a comer hoy.
You got to lie inside your tub on the second floor. You see mad raccoons outside like I Am Legend. Just you and your family are there like scratching on the glass.
Yo.
Shout out to that movie that made absolutely no fucking sense.
No, did it.
Thought about it the other day. Remember he used to put bleach every time he came back in the house to keep his scent down, but wouldn't they just smell the car? Because it wasn't bleach in the car.
Yeah. There was a lot of plot holes in that movie, but hey, you know what? Let's Will Smith, he gave us Jaden.
I mean, you gotta do a little more than that. He also gave us like several. Jaden doesn't equal out all the bad movies he's given us.
What's the worst? I mean, besides Wild Wild West, what's the worst Will Smith movie?
The one where he was mailing notes to emotions or some shit, to feelings.
To feelings?
He was like writing letters to love and hate.
What?
Exactly.
I didn't even, was it straight to DVD?
Nah, it was in theaters, and it was one of those things like, yo, damn, like, because Will Smith comes in your office, like, yo, I want to do this. Who sells him dope? You know, this nigga jumping off. This nigga like fucking levitating in front of the Taj Mahal. This nigga fucking bungee jumping into the.
Yeah, he's reached like, I was like, yo, what is the level of affluence that you have to reach to have that type of audacity and just like wake up every morning like, yo, I'm gonna jump off a building today. Like, that's the first thing on your mind. You're eating your egg white omelet, and you're like, yo, I'm going to jump off a building today.
Like, Will Smith, there are white people out there who want to be Will Smith.
Yeah.
That's how amazing
That's
Will
wild.
Smith's life is.
That's wild.
That's insane,
That's,
man.
Yo,
That's
fam.
insane.
Like, fam,
reverse bleaching.
Fam, like, you're already born with, like, the full, like, you're born with 80,000 V-Bucks, my nigga. Like, yo,
I mean,
you know what I'm saying? Like, and that Will Smith?
This is what they, like, Will Smith transcends race. Okay, he's like in an open relationship.
I feel like he said that himself, yeah.
He's doing things, man. Remember, he was like 2 + 2 = 4 if you want it to be 4.
I was like, what? I was like, fam, I'm too high for this.
Listen, it's like how Trump just be like, yeah, I do what I want, and don't check him.
I don't care. Yeah, Brett Kavanaugh, I'm sorry for everything you had to go through.
Trump is like, if you ever had like a cousin that was an only child and you went to their house and tried to use the video game system and
like no,
it's mine.
It's
Sit
mine.
here and watch me play.
Mine. I get to play.
What was that shitty controller? Was it Game Pros or something?
Mad Cats.
They give you like a shitty Mad Cats controller.
It's like, here's your Mad Cats. The right thumbstick doesn't work, but you fucking suck anyway, so you're gonna lose anyway, stupid.
Put on the slow motion button, all it does is pause and unpause really fast. It's unplayable. It's unplayable. Oh, man.
I remember the fucking Mad Catz like Sega controller where it had the turbo option, but all it did was just press the button mad fast, like faster than you could.
Yeah.
So you just sitting there like throw mad light punches. Shout out to Street Fighter. Shout out to Lupe Fiasco for actually entering video game tournaments. There's money in that now.
Oh, he's doing it right now?
Yeah, he's practicing.
How do you practice to enter a video game? Either you play video games or you can't.
Not, yeah, like that's what I'm saying. Like, you're not pumping iron.
MMA.
You're not doing push-ups, my nigga. You're just playing game over and over
again. Eating
again.
a raw steak or playing Street Fighter 2 and shit. Then crack an egg open and play like 4 hours of Fortnite.
Nigga eat a jar of peanut butter and shit. Like, I gotta get my protein up. My thumbs is feeling weak.
This nigga meal prepping on Sunday night. 2 broccoli, white rice,
salmon
protein. It's nice.
No sauce, gotta eat clean.
Yo, I heard meth lab cleaners is a good job now. For all you people out there looking for a situation to get into, apparently there's a high demand in our country for people who can clean locations that have been soiled by meth.
Oh.
So, but you need like a chemistry degree. So it's like, you get a lot of money. So, if I ever don't come back on this podcast, that's where I've gone. I'm gonna go
to get chemistry.
riding across the world. I'm riding across the the Midwest cleaning houses of meth fumes and shit. That's my new show. Because they got all those shows on HTV. This is our new one. Meth House.
Meth House.
Meth House. You want to buy this house right now?
The Meth Bros instead of Property Brothers. Meth Brothers. Like we come through and should be like, oh wow, this
niggas is
perfect.
Niggas breaking your house before they sell it and just sell OD meth and just cook that shit. People can't even show the house anymore. There's like toxic fumes in the living room and shit.
Yeah, you're gonna have to put this hazmat. We have an open house, but we have a hazmat policy. Yeah.
Niggas wearing the bunny suits.
You know what I'm saying?
Mad
So just
HEPA,
asking like
ventilation.
why is the bathtub stainless steel? Oh, don't worry about that. It was just used for cooking methamphetamines. That's all.
Cooking that meth.
That's it. That's all.
Damn, Method Man missed out.
Right?
It could have been a whole different game with him.
Meth the chef.
Meth the chef.
You know what I'm saying? Come on.
I don't think the world wasn't ready for meth-based raps at the time. Though.
Rebrand.
Nah, you can't. It's too late. METH, man. Like, no, relax.
METH. You leave out
MET. I lost my teeth, man.
MET.
Hey,
There's
you.
worms in my face, man.
Hey, you more through the Fed. Like, no. We've never had a heavy. There's never been like a hip hop song that teaches you how to cook meth because there was one that taught you. There's several that taught.
Make crack like this.
They had that one, and then Redman told you how to roll a blunt, but
Yep.
no one ever was like, "Yo, I'll put a little shit inside the 7-Up bottle while you're driving and keep your hands on the wheels and like wait till it start bubbling."
Yeah.
And,
Then use a beaker. You know what I'm saying? Heat it up to like 80 degrees. You know
Could
what I'm
white
saying?
genocide do that?
Yeah.
White genocide with the meth.
Make meth like this. White genocide.
The
Get
meth album,
you know
meth
what I'm saying?
anthem,
Meth
what's the
anthem?
album?
Woo, get Master P on the hook and shit. Like
Got mad
it's
people in
lit.
the club shaking up their meth.
You know what I'm
Yo,
saying? Get sucked the shocker. Like
2
wherever-
shocks this time.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Whatever used car dealership he's working at right now.
Mad
holla
people in
at
the
us.
bathroom, like trying to cool their meth and shit. The bathroom line is mad long and shit.
What's Romeo Miller doing right now? I'm sure he would love to do a reboot of Ghetto D about meth.
Romeo's chilling right now.
He's good.
He's good money.
He's doing.
He's Master P's kid. He got money.
Oh yeah, that's
And
right.
he did like that. What was it? The college ad and shit.
Oh, that's right.
So he's good.
Was it like college or the Everest shit?
I think Everest, but he was like the first Everest guy.
Oh, so
like
he got that big bag.
he got the big buyer.
And then they started just pulling random phlebotomists off the street, like, "Yo, if I could do it, you could do it too. I have 3 children. I'm a single mother, and I have made time to go to Mero and get my Everest. I'm sorry, and do my degrees. So like, you could do it too. You're just sitting there doing nothing. What are you doing?
Ew.
Get up off your ass and get to work. That's how you gotta do it.
Got to keep it moving. Got to keep working. Feed the kids and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder what Drake's gonna play do now because he did the reggaeton.
Yeah.
He should do J-pop.
K-pop,
J-pop.
J-pop, Japanese pop.
Yeah, he could do Simple and Clean from Kingdom Hearts. That was a good song. I enjoyed that. Yes, Simple and Clean by Utata.
I feel like he would kill it as like a front man for like some pop punk band, like Paramore type shit.
I don't think Paramore's pop, like
He would
punk or anything like that. But
you know what I'm saying? Like, is that pop punk? What's it? What,
not punk. No,
pop
it's like
pop punk, like Blink-182. What's the other one?
Green Day.
No, yeah, that was like kind of pop punk. Shout out to them. Are they alive?
Most people are still alive. Yes.
Most people are still alive?
Most
All right,
people you
shout out to
reference are still alive.
Shout out to Billy Joe. Not Billy Joel. Billy Joe.
Joel. Like Joel.
Billy Joe. No, Billy Joe. That's the shit that fucks you up. Is Billy Joe is the Green Day dude, and Billy Joel is the piano man.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Who will jam you up on the LIRR if he's ever doing a concert at the Garden.
True. Speaking of concerts in the Garden, 11/11. Be sure to check out the
Make
Bodega
I
Boys.
wish you
coming
cowards.
through. We're bringing special guests.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to battle Azealia Banks on stage. It's going to be a
Yo,
Vogue battle.
Oh shit. Kitty cat, kitty cat.
We're walking cat realness.
Yeah, yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Pretend you're drinking milk.
Yeah.
Wow. Digging a litter box. Wow. Cat eyes.
Yeah. But that's right, you ball bags. This is the New York City Comedy Festival, November 11th. We will be at the theater at Madison Square Garden, 11/11. That's a blessed number. Make a wish. Your wish will come true. You know what I'm saying?
You got nothing else going on. Come on, man. Summer Jam was whack this year.
Yep.
You know what I mean? You want to go see Fabulous and Jadakiss and all them niggas again? No, come see us. We're the new Watch Fest. Come hang out. It's Madison Square Garden. We're gonna be throwing t-shirts in the. We're gonna have a chopped cheese cannon, and we're gonna fire chopped cheeses into the crowd.
Jadakiss is skipping Summer Jam to come to our shit.
Well, Summer Jam already happened. It's like October, my guy.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Well, he's skipping like the after party to come to our shit. The
Okay.
after party. So you should come too. There's tickets still available, but they're going fast. So get them now at Ticketmaster.com.
It's not so much they're going fast. Just buy them shits, nigga. They're there. Like, had enough of this. I'm not asking y'all politely on this podcast. As a matter of fact, pause this podcast and go buy a ticket right now.
I was actually surprised how many people had no idea. Like, I was on Twitter. I was like, yo, 11:11, Bodega Boys. And they're like, what? I'm in New York. I'm in there. I'm like, okay. Like, so then go get it. Nigga, tell your friends.
You know what it is? Because I asked people for marketing, for one simple request, and they were like, no, Jesus, we cannot buy billboards covering all the Times Square. And I was like, why not?
Why?
I was like, why not? I thought the brand was strong.
Yeah.
I thought the brand had $90 million in advertising. No.
Oh, no, we didn't.
No, we don't. We bought one. All we bought was like matchbook boxes on the back of a skanky strip club and root floor in New Jersey and shit.
That was it.
So if you go to Jingles, you have the special limited edition Bodega Boys matchbooks.
That's right. Satin Dolls. It's lit. Hey, pull up. You know what I'm saying?
Coming to the stage. You might remember her from serving you drinks. Give it up for Mimosa.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah.
She's a hot one.
She bedazzled her ankle bracelet for you guys. Don't you feel special?
She bedazzled her nicotine patch.
She's going to come out with a water bottle and a Metro card and just put them both on the baseless steps and start gyrating. Don't they have a speaker system in the club? They just take their phone and put it in a cup and just play it really loud.
Yo.
And all the patrons are like, keep it low.
Keep it low. Come on, I want to hear. I want to hear the macaroni and cheese.
You like that, baby? You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you give me a dub, I'll give you a tug. By tug, I mean I'll pull these teeth out. Yeah.
I'd spent all my money promotionally on those fake $100 bills that like Jehovah's Witnesses used or like evangelicals used to be like, oh shit, $100 bill, and you pick it up and you open it and it's like, Jesus is the light and the way.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's
Jehovah's Witnesses would never resort to such trickery.
Trickery.
It's those little storefront churches and shit. The ones you walk by on Saturday, it's like 7 p.m. You're like, why y'all so fucking loud? Why is there 400 of y'all in here? There's no ventilation and there's no fire exits?
What's going on? Why are you all wearing floor-length denim skirts?
Okay. And just because your cousin can keep a rhythm doesn't mean he's allowed to play drums on Sunday, all right? While the rest of y'all are like, Jesus is God. Your auntie got the slanted wig and she's just running around talking in tongues. It's not talking in tongues. It's too hot in the church. She's fainting.
She's fainting, man. She's having a stroke. Take her out of there.
What's wrong with y'all?
Call St. Barnabas.
It's 90 degrees outside. She has on 4 layers of stockings. What you think was going to happen?
Come on, B. They're compression though. She need those. She got diabetes.
Oh, no.
She got the diabetes socks with the fucking stockings under.
Shout out to all my, Seventh-day Adventists who Saturday all day, all day you at church. Can't wait till you turn 17 and just start whoring around. We all been there.
Man.
Get on your little rum springer, taking all the DAC you can find.
I could never. All day in church, fam? Oh, no.
All day wearing thick woolen stockings.
Shout out to God, yo. You my nigga. I hope, shout out to you, you know what I'm saying? But fucking, I can't be up in your crib for like 12 hours. Like, nah.
Yeah, I mean, even God's like, yo, I ain't say all that.
I ain't say all that. Like,
God was never like, oh, yo, what y'all doing on Saturday? I feel like God appreciates a good Saturday. He's like, yo, you got shit to do. You got you got errands you want to run.
What you trying to do today, yo?
I'm not trying to press you.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you could go, you could. You know what I'm saying?
Because even in the
like
Bible, it was like, yo, and on the 7th day, he rested and shit. Like, it's like me when I'm cleaning my house and I do like 2 things. And I'm like, time to take a break. Fuck that. Ooh, I did the dishes. Ooh, nap time, nigga.
Oh, what's that like?
Not cleaning my house. Fuck this.
Oh, man. You got a cleaning lady yet? You got a cleaning person?
Nah, my house isn't. I don't have enough stuff to
do that.
I'm not home like that, so the only mess I really make is like the dishes.
Okay.
So that's about it.
Yeah.
Then I clean my cat box, my shit box, if you're from English.
Shit box.
That's about it. I was thinking about getting a cleaning lady, but it's like it's not enough, and she just come in here and like move some magazines around and leave. So I can't appreciate that. When I cop the $2 million loft overlooking the Bronx River and I block out the sun for all you poorer communities, aka Port Morris, then I'm gonna have when I buy up the Bronx and rename it Desus Land. Everyone's gonna have IDs and shit. Like, yo,
you can't come in here.
I'm like, where you going? You going? Everyone gets a job. I call them in the morning. Like,
It's like the Canadian border and shit. Like,
yeah, you got to go work the toll booth on the Willis Dams Bridge. Sorry.
Yo.
I'm gonna make my own toll bridge. That's it.
You got a felony? You could go.
Is there a law you can't build your own bridge? Who owns the water? Who's to stop me?
I mean, we could look into that.
I mean, if I find a sponsor, I feel like I could.
We connected.
Why don't we build a new subway? Why we aiming so low?
Why not? Yo,
how hard could it be to build a new subway? You got shovels. I got shovels. We could call our pops up.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you crazy? My pops will have a line straight from here to Washington Heights in like 15 minutes. He be like, Papi, give me a shovel.
There's a shovel in one bucket.
Yeah, one bucket.
Not even a bucket. The same cup is just a cup of ice water.
Straight up.
And every time it's empty, he uses to scoop out the soil and get some more.
And an old pair of my Uptowns, bro. That's all he needs.
Digging.
You know what I'm saying?
Digging. My father's on the other side working to meet him and shit. Shit don't even match up. They're like good enough.
This shit is like
mad crooked. So like at the last minute, the train just takes like a wild sharp turn.
Just like a roller coaster, shit goes down mad fast. Like, yeah, what? Everybody's like, whoa, dude, wow. And this shit becomes an attraction.
Oh shit, niggas just dying. This shit derails all the time. And he just come out and just kick it like kick it.
It's okay.
Just slap these sides.
It's okay.
Just slap these sides. It's a good train.
It's like, hey, let me ask you something. You fucking pussy, my nigga? Huh? So get back on the train. Get the fuck out of here.
Go inside. Pump the brake till I tell you to stop. Pump. Stop. You pump it around.
Karen, Megan, go outside and push it until it start up.
It's like, damn, we gotta do this every day. And everyone's like, this is still better than MTA.
Karen and Megan like, why is it always us?
There's a train that doesn't stop at the station. It's just like, yo, you just gotta jump out.
Yo,
Tuck
make
and
it
roll,
happen,
nigga.
bro. Fuck it.
Tuck and roll, nigga. Niggas just waiting like 1,
2, 3. Wow, nigga just hit the wild like column, like
oh shit.
Shatter your femur.
Well, I mean, they got City Bike. We gotta come up with something similar. We gotta take an idea that's already out there and just kind of change it a little and then profit off of that.
That's
so
true.
I was thinking, instead of City Bike, we have something called City Lunch. And it's one big sandwich on every street corner. And you just take a bite of it and put it back for the next person.
For the next nigga?
Yeah.
I respect that.
We don't waste food, and it's communal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You could talk to people.
Yeah.
You took an OD big bite, my guy.
Yeah. And so Jose shows up and he's like, yo, Papi, you know what I'm saying? I've been waiting in line for this sandwich for a long time, you know what I'm saying? So
Take the whole thing.
Yeah.
Just driving around in a U-Haul van with mad sandwiches, putting them on the end of the blocks and shit. They're out there in the rain getting soggy.
That shit is some wild government conspiracy because every sandwich has a chip in it and shit. So every bite you take, now you're being tracked by the NSA.
You see people come out of work, put their helmet on, and just get the sandwich and ride off. Take the sandwich home. That's right.
My dream is to get rich enough to just plow through an entire rack of city bikes in a car. Like just once, just to do it once.
Just to be a hater?
Just to do it once, just to be a hater.
Couldn't you just buy some bikes and do it on your own?
I mean, I could, but then like that wouldn't be like inconveniencing to people that live in Lower Manhattan. And that's my goal in life is it's to inconvenience them.
I mean, well, they have that everywhere now. They get it in the Bronx too. It's weird because you pill out Uber and they'll be like, do you want a car or a bike? Like, fam, it's 4 a.m. Ain't nobody get on no bikes.
Do I want to get on a bike at 4 a.m.?
No. I mean, but if you're drunk enough, that sounds like a great idea.
until you hit that steep hill going that you forgot about.
Nah, when you're on a bike and you're drunk, because you know if a car hits you, you're already gonna die because you're on a bike. So that whole anxiety is already out your mind. You're just like, I'm just living my life. Take your feet off the pedals, do the white people thing where you got your legs like this in the rom-com movies.
Oh man,
yeah. It's like when you're riding 2 people on it. Have you ever been on a 2-person bike?
Yes, a tandem bike. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
There was one there, and I was like, I've never done this before, so I'm gonna do it. And I've seen it on Looney Tunes mad times.
Who were you on it with?
With Heather, but
okay.
It was like
I thought it was just you and with your boys.
Yo, son, we out, nigga.
Y'all niggas going on the jukes on the tandem bike?
Grand Concourse, like,
nigga riding a tandem bike to catch a tag. That's not. You ride a tandem bike past the bike, past the blunt back, like
to the
yo,
back, like yo,
wow,
yeah, nah, you can't do that with your homies. Like, nah, that's like
He's got fucking Rough Riders anthem playing on the pill in the front, like
fragile masculinity, toxic masculinity, all that shit. But you can't be on a tandem bike with your mans and shit. Like that's like next level.
We're my niggas with the big dicks. Like,
what?
She's riding a bicycle built for 2. Yo, them niggas riding a tandem bike.
Yo, look at this. Yo, look at Jamel Jose. Them niggas riding a tandem bike. Them niggas is wild ass.
First of all, no one in the hood those tandem bikes. I don't even know what they call
Them
it.
niggas is riding the bike with 2 niggas on it. It's a
That
2
shit
nigga
ain't
bike.
right.
That shit
That
ain't
shit
right.
ain't right.
God ain't. Listen, man.
That ain't right, yo.
That shit ain't in the Bible, my nigga. It was Adam and one bike, nigga. Not Adam and Steve on
How
one
they go
bike.
from it went from a unicycle to a bicycle to the tandem bike is some wild shit. Tandem bikes is like, yo, your neighborhood's getting
They
gentrified.
doing too much.
Because if you could come out on a tandem bike, that means no one is afraid of anyone in that neighborhood.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you can't be riding through the peas on a tandem. Someone's gonna throw a bottle at you.
Damn.
Yo, get out of here. Life ain't that good.
Fam, if you ride a fucking tandem bike down Tremont, fam, you're gonna get 38 bottles thrown at you. Minimum.
Boo.
Like, yo, what the fuck is that?
They're gonna run up. We're gonna buy a bottle and then run after you and catch up and throw it at you a second time. He said a tandem bike. Tandem bike.
And even I felt like secondhand embarrassment riding that shit too. I was just like,
That wasn't secondhand, my guy.
I was like, yo, I was
That
like,
was
you know
it.
what? I was like, you know what? You are not a great bike rider. I am. I'll take the front. You just cool out in the back and just like let you know what I'm saying? Let your legs glide. I'll control the situation.
Damn, tandem bikes.
You know what I'm saying?
Now I kind of want to buy one and just rent it and then just harass the people that ride it. They're like, how'd you know we were here? I was like, I know where you're at.
You need to buy a tandem bike and just ride a dolo. Like
Is that the flex? It's
that's like a flex. It's like, yo, like fam, like I got the Maybach, but I'm driving the shit.
for all that, couldn't I just buy a bike?
No, because you're doing superfluous shit for no reason. That's a
But
flex.
that's like, you can't, you got to pedal. Like, now you're just like, now you just look stupid. Going up the hill, man. It's the flex, though.
It's the flex. It's a flex. I'm about to drive the top of my tandem bike, nigga.
Oh,
You got
man.
a T-top tandem bike?
You'll put suicide doors on your tandem bike. What's more than a tandem bike?
What's more like of a flex or more expensive?
I mean, what's a, like, no, what's like, cause you thinking broke. I want bigger than a tandem
Bigger,
bike.
bigger,
What's a tri-bike?
They got triple bikes. Yeah, they got triple. I'm just calling it a triple bike because it's 3 bikes in one.
3 bikes.
Yeah,
Tri-bike.
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 They got the ones that are like the ones that the old Puerto Rican niggas use at the parade. That's like 3 wheels, but that's not what
That's
we're
not-
looking for.
What
We're
about
looking for like a
those-
limo length.
Oh, you know what it is?
bicycle.
The bar ones where it's like you and 5 of your friends and you're all pedaling together.
Oh
I need that.
yeah. Oh, the banana boat, but on wheels.
You know what? We're gonna close Fordham Road to all vehicular traffic.
That's right.
And it's just gonna be pedestrian traffic and those.
And those, that's
riding
it.
up and down.
That's it.
That's right.
We're gonna inaugurate this shit. It's gonna be me, you, Hasan, Victor. You know what I'm saying?
My
in the building.
goal in life is to make Fordham Road safe enough that Fordham University students can come outside the gates
And cop
walk
cocaine.
around with their parents.
Walk around with their parents.
That's all I want.
I think you said I thought you were gonna go with cop cocaine without fear, but that's,
They got no fear of cop cocaine. They got no fear. You can get it. They got an app for that. They got the Fordham Johns.
I helped develop it.
Bring me the Coke. Yeah, getting Coke is not
Coker.
Getting Coke is not hard.
Getting Coke is mad easy if you're a Fordham student in the Bronx. But you crazy?
I mean, just in like who? Unless you're like in Iowa or something, like how hard? It's not hard to get.
We're
Coke.
New Yorkers though. Like we're New Yorkers. We can get like I'm gonna return to a callback and say that we can get sushi at 3 a.m. Like we could also get anything at any time.
I mean,
I think we're spoiled.
at any club you go to, you could probably. There's a good chance you can get Coke. I was at a
If I'm
Giants.
at like Flagstaff.
I was at a Giants game and I was offered cocaine. Like, it's just how it goes, baby. It's just how it goes, you know. Anytime people are trying to have a good time, they're like, "Hey, party, you like the party? You like the party?
You like the party?
You like the party?
Or they just turn to you with the bag and like a thing like, yo, you want? And you're like, yo, you good? I'm like,
You like that?
I'm all right.
What's up, bro? You like to have fun?
I'm all right. I got some ideas.
Hey, Hasan, you trying to ski?
Yo, Hasan, I got this idea for a remix, right? It's like Billy Joel vocals over a Dembo beat.
Listen,
What do you think about that?
what they call this Milk Studios, right? So, what? Excuse me. What if we just fill the studio with milk?
Oh, that'd be awesome.
We get a bunch of cats.
Hey,
I'll be looking it up.
Oh, that's all. You know what? That reminds me of that Limp Bizkit video where they played in milk.
Oh, I
Remember that?
can't feel my left nostril.
Oh, you all right? Here, take a blast. Take a blast.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna dip my cigarette in here. Take
Nice.
do a freeze.
Nice.
Take a nice little
Nice.
freeze.
Hey, put a little down my foreskin. I'm gonna see Samantha after this.
All right.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, nice.
And there's the 40 uses of cocaine provided to you by the Bodega Boys. Okay?
Yo, fucking.
We are like Native Americans, how they use the whole
every part
buffalo.
of the buffalo?
We use every part of the cocaine. After this, I'm going to show you how to make a decorative spice rack using crack vials.
Don't throw that baggie away.
Say that baggie.
20 uses for an empty cocaine baggie. That's just on BuzzFeed.
I was like, you can use it as a tote for your barbecue. Keep your spices in. You like a little cinnamon on the go? Huh? Put it in your little Coke baggie.
Yeah.
Imagine you go to work.
Yeah, a real kick in the morning.
You're at work eating like your lunch. And you're like, oh, this doesn't have enough spices on it. You pull out your little Coke bag, like sprinkling it on
You
there.
start talking all crazy shit.
I love the spices.
Yo, it's so good. It's so good. Hey, I got some great ideas. Maybe we start a viral marketing campaign to
I had to bring my own spices because a stadium, they're good, but the food's kind of bland.
It's a little bland.
I know.
I got some great ideas for the company. Maybe we get a fleet of trucks. Joe, we're this is a Kinko's. We don't.
We still use trucks. Come on, Jamal, you're with me, Jamal.
Man, get the fuck out of here, man. I've been here fucking 8 hours already, man.
Jamal,
come on, son. Yo, man, nigga, I saw you that shit. Get the fuck out of here, fucking cornball. And Julio beat me over the head for this shit. I know. I'm gonna go get him later, motherfucker. Nigga double crossed me and shit, talking about this shit is poulet. Niggas is crazy, B. Wildin'.
Hey.
Done with this shit, B. Going back to McDonald's, man. Fuck this shit.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. He walks in there. He's like, nah, we got a restraining order on you, Jamal.
So you can't come back here. You jumped over the counter.
You can't come back in here. Fuck that. When you quit, it went viral because you used a loudspeaker. You had a marching band. You're not welcome here.
You can't. Try ChickfilA, asshole.
ChickfilA.
He's like, yo, that was racist. Think I'm going to sue y'all.
If you get fired from one ChickfilA, do they know it at every ChickfilA? They got like a ChickfilA network?
They do. God himself calls every other ChickfilA on conference and it's like, he has broken my laws.
Oh, wow.
He has broken my chicken laws. He is cursed. He's a satanic being.
What if God was one of them?
Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus trying to make his way home.
I mean,
what if he was?
That would suck.
God just pull up like, yo, what up, my nigga? Like, yo.
How sad would you be if you were walking down the street and God was like begging for money?
I'd be like, yo.
Like I fell out so hard. I'm like, Lord, is that you?
What?
My creator.
Bruh.
He's like, yeah, I forgot what the...
Yo, listen, man, listen.
That's a movie right there. We find God, he has amnesia, and he forgot all his powers and
all
shit.
His powers and shit?
We gotta help him.
We gotta help him out?
Help him bring him back.
I'll be like, yo, I appreciate the dick you gave me, my nigga. I really...
Oh, hey, yo.
I appreciate
Clean that up, please. Think about what you just said.
I appreciate the penis that you have blessed my corporal being with.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Clean that up. Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? So we here to help you, brother. You know what I'm saying? We help you get back on your feet. Where's your son? Your ungrateful son. And where's the Holy Spirit? I thought it was 3 of y'all.
Like I said, we were solo, man. I'm Quavo.
Quavo Honcho. Have you heard the album yet?
I have.
How do you feel about it?
It's Amigos album.
Mama!
It's Amigos album, you know what I mean? Shout out to Little Baby. Little
Woo!
Baby was spitting on it. I have come around on that young man has a ridiculous name, but he can spit. I've come around and to
that's how they do.
Warm a hater such as Maya to, get some props from Maya.
Where?
For a lot. So, wow, you're a baby.
Bitch, I'm a baby.
Bitch, I'm a baby. Hi, I'm here. I'm Little Baby here for Babies Are Us. You can get all your baby needs.
R.I.P. Babies Are Us.
Babies Are Us.
Now, where are we going to do registries? All you niggas having kids, where are you going to do your registry at?
Amazon.
Oh, yeah.
Everything. You can do everything on Amazon. You can do Amazon will cut your grass. You can get your boiler clean through Amazon. They take it every. You don't realize every job is in danger because of Amazon.
Because Amazon.
In one day, Amazon is going to scan all our podcasts and be able to create new podcasts without us being there.
Like how Eminem did the Tupac album?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
It's not that hard.
Oh, it'll be like, yo, what's good? It's the Bodega Boys, episode 1049. Ha ha ha. Yo, suck my dick from the back. Ha ha.
I need goats. Ha ha ha.
Problematic light. 1994.
Ha 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 ha. Bex on decking.
Get in. Ha 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 ha.
Everyone's like, this isn't as good, but it's much cheaper.
Hasan tiro me la pita.
That's not even Hasan. It's like Nissan.
Yeah.
He's been replaced by like a little Japanese robot. That's like,
Bonsai 2000. Tiro me la pista.
And they use some sort of like data to like make it local to wherever you're listening.
It's like algorithms.
So instead of like if we say like Tremont, it'll be like Plainfield, Deerville, Baton Rouge Junction. Like, yo, what the fuck?
The fuck is that? Carbondale, Michigan. Like, what,
yo,
nigga? What?
Yo. You better take your ass to the Wawa and get a cheese sandwich. I'm like, I said chopped cheese.
Chopped cheese is chopped. Come on, babe. What are you doing?
That's not that.
Please go to 7-Eleven. Yo, I was at 7-Eleven the other day copping wraps for my marijuana strain that I have purchased.
I saw Poppy.
Like to get smacked.
I saw Poppy at the Erewhon. It's like, that's not. No,
Poppy's nowhere near there. Poppy is nowhere near there. There might be like, you know, some girl from Williamsburg that moved to LA that has like Poppy ironically tattooed on her neck. But no, there's no Poppy there. Not even champagne Poppy.
And the sad thing is, as long as the checks are clearing, we're all right with it.
We're okay.
I don't really care.
We're okay.
Everyone's gonna be like, yo, you guys sold out. I was like, and how?
And
they'll be like, well, you know, the way y'all sold. I was like, no, I said, and how? What I meant is, and how the fuck did you get over my moat? Get out my private house.
Fuck out of here.
Release all my robotic dogs I bought from Jeff Bezos.
Fam, I just watch Latrell Spearwell every night, like his speech, like how am I supposed to feed my kids on this? Like, and I'm ready to release it on the world. When niggas are like, yo, you sold out. You niggas sold out for like, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, yo, niggas had to make that 50 mil, 100 mil, 450 mil.
I mean, that wasn't really the takeaway from the Latrell Speedwell speech because Latrell Speedwell like left a lot of money on the table and it ended up like owing mad money to the government from tax evasion.
Yikes.
So I don't know if he's the role. Also,
getting a tax lawyer.
He easily could have paid his family with that money. Like, come on. He act like they were offering him like
10 grand a year and shit. Like,
my guy.
Yo,
you can't get to the point where money, you forget how much money really means.
How am I supposed to feed my kids on $20 million a year?
Like,
huh?
That's more than enough. If you're a kid, I could feed probably every kid in America off of
20 mil?
20 mil.
Okay.
Vienna sausages.
Yeah.
That's all you need, baby.
And a couple noodles.
All right. Vienna sausage. A couple of Vienna sausage water in the morning for breakfast.
You know what I'm saying? Go to BJ's and get the wild
cut one in half
of ramen.
Lunch and one at the end of the day. If if you reach your quota in the coal mine. We're bringing back Charles Dickens shit.
You could eat leaves from trees.
Nah, really.
I mean, you could.
A lot of them are toxic and will kill you.
I mean, you know, you develop, tolerance for them. Or you could die. Like the dude in Into the Wild who had a stupid ass name. And fuck. What the fuck was that guy's name? Fuck. Emile Hirsch. Yes! Yo, Victor with the fucking, oh my God, with the 50-foot jumper.
Who is that? Who's Emile Hirsch?
Emile Hirsch is the guy that was starred in Into the Wild, which is based on a true story about a guy who got lost in the woods, found a bus, and used it as a campground, but then was like starving. He had no food, and he was like foraging. He ended up eating some berries that was poisonous and killed his ass, and then they found the nigga years later.
Well, that's unfortunate.
So
rest in peace to
R.I.P. to the real Emile Hirsch, like whoever you played. I mean, but yo, if you choose to go out into the forest by yourself, my nigga, like you taking that risk. Like homie that died in that avalanche because he was chasing it or some shit like that.
Who?
That was like fucking 100 episodes ago. Like some dude went into like a storm chaser. The guy chased a blizzard or some stupid shit like that, and then got fucking demolished. Like fam, Mother Nature don't play. Think of what Mother Nature as a West Indian mother be. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you fuck around, she'll fuck you up. You know what I'm saying?
That's fair.
You know what I mean? So don't play with nature.
Don't play with nature or any other firm for that matter.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. It's firm biz.
Yo.
It's firm biz.
Yo. What was that nature song? Fucking, fuck.
Which one?
The exclusive, clue shit, new shit. Oh, God. Nah, this is going to kill me all day. All right, Bodega Hive, help me out.
People are like yelling it at their
radio right now. Like,
we can't hear you.
Yeah, we can't hear you.
We are literally the characters on S. McAllister or whatever the hell it is from Black Mirror. We can't hear you.
Yeah, we can't.
We're trapped in here. Why do you think we're in Milk Studios?
No.
Hasan has us trapped in the audio.
Yo, we're in a teddy bear right now.
Niggas live in the fucking audio channels.
Yo.
Every time I ask for help, Hasan just like drops the volume and I'm just like,
I just press a button on me. It's like, Daddy needs a hug.
He's like, someone's been bad. You want to go back onto the USB stick? I'm like, no, please. No. Don't put me on the USB stick. It's only 60 megs.
No. It's not even gigabytes anymore.
Imagine you had to live in a USB stick. What if we were all in different USB sticks on God's MacBook?
Oh shit!
Whoa. My first question is, what are you smoking, bruh?
Yo,
That's some. Like, you smoking that what?
you smoking what?
What you smoking, bro?
Yo,
Smoking that good shit?
that booty.
Smoking that good.
Damn, yo. What USB stick would God have you in? Would it be like a novelty USB stick or just like basic staples joint?
Only people that care about the names of USB sticks are people who are buying it with their job's money. Other than that, you use any fucking USB stick you can find.
Yeah, like the free shits that they give out.
The
like
virus
the
shit that you find on
shit.
the shit you find on the ground. You're like, oh, I found a free USB stick, and it's really Russia just hacking your computer.
Just hacking your whole shit. Now
That's how it works.
Now they have 40,000 hours of you masturbating on Spank Bang.
Oh shit, yo. Anyway, that's live from Milk Studios.
That's right.
Been episode 130. Yo,
130.
you know what I'm saying? It's Milk Studios. You know, we got big things coming in here.
Oh boy, you can't.
Yeah, you
I'm
guys
not even
are not
gonna
ready.
say it. Not even gonna say it because it's gonna be
Brand's not
so
ready, but it's gonna be so lippy, man.
Y'all are gonna be so hype, man. Oh my god.
But until then, it's Desus Nice. They hear Young Chipotle. They can pocket stay fat like Terrio. They can pocket stay fat like. Here we go. Hooray! Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Chris Nasper, Sling Dick, Eli the Billy, Butchers Billy Cloa. So, but I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Frigo, Mr. Nando's with a run new. 1994, Nueva York, Mikkel going off the Juve boss, MC Local Gunga P putting up for 40 with your shorty. If you don't talk to me in the Uber pool, because I don't know you.
I don't know
The original my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni out the coonery, aka Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, KLOK,
Papi.
Two Phone Jones, he say, Jace Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
3 times.
3 times, you know what that is.
You know, you must.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because like my Pinot.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite, you can listen to Wash FM. Up next, we have 24 hours of who? As requested by Mero, a little Jade. Don't walk away, boy. Remember them? The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashman, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno Quintero.
That was a bop.
The Human Renme, Word to Ja, Young Aaron, Racist Provocateur, Hedrick Budcoast, Nelson Bangdell, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the Human World is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Degaton, Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Magaby, but I got that cucumber.
Yo.
The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peck, and the Fashion Nova of Casanova, William A. cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change, give me big money. The only anthem I salute is Dipset, Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left, because man's is mine.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Softphones, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Hey, niggas, California style in the back too, nigga. Don't play yourself.
David Urban, Jesus Expensive, Jesus Red, Jesus Bloody Shoes, Zokeem Noah, Andrew Coonana, aka the Junior, Energy God Jr. comes to down.
Yo, sip on it, yo, it's wireless.
Call me Petco, because I got your bitch on freeze. Woo. The topic of gossip is Sayasa. I'm going to just sleep in the bathroom to the conductor leave the train. A.K.A. Grandpa joking, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. If you get cat hair all over your head, you know what I'm saying? It's blessed. Buy a ticket.
Enjoy.
You might win the lotto. Mr. Shopping that street easy with bad breeds like I'm easy. Please believe me when I bring that gentrification to your neighborhood. Mr. Black Asiatic, I crack your back like a craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina with Fresh Mr. Marina, Cold Demeanor, a.k.a. Problematic Bay. Yeah. The dinosaurs and humans lived at the same time. I don't care what the Bible says.
Oh shit, yo! Even Kyrie said the Earth was a flat no more.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flip, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka
Curve.
Trees Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loaded, jump the curb, hit your dog, keep it moving, ask me if I give a fuck. Call Peter, I don't care, nigga. I won't back down like Gucci Mane. Aka I don't fuck your baby, I fuck your man, my nigga. Look at my dad. Aka no need to, nigga. Don't even check the Guestlist, B. My name is right there, right next to Tom Hanks, man. Yes, my name is Wilson. Let me get in there. I'm his +1. A.K.A. CC Dad Bathia. A.K.A. getting to the shmoney and the smoke into your boy Goldman. Schmacked. A.K.A. Mero Jr. smoking weed on Joe Rogan's show and was like, my dad's shit is way louder than this shit. You know what I'm saying? You niggas smoking Reggie over here. Only the finest strains for my children. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.K.A. Bitch Smack Biombo. A.K.A. Diego Merodona. A.K.A. Dick in your baby Motombo. You know, come in this pussy no more.
No
you know
more.
What I'm saying? This pussy belong to me unless you bring me 40-pound oxtail. And they better not be bony. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. the new coach of the Knicks, David Trisdale. Nigga, plow, take that for data. A.K.A. Barlow Santana, so smooth.
So smooth.
I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. Leave it at the wrong location. The Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. A.K.A. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. You're embarrassing us. You know who the fuck I was. I was the voice of Beaker on the Muppet Show, nigga. Pay homage. A.K.A. Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me black out. I'll eat your grandma ass on stage at Yankee Stadium, nigga. I do not care. Like, dead ass. Like, look at my Chelsea booze. Like, respect them. AKA Light Now Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five. Wait till I get this vocal coach and drop this album, man. Ooh, it's about to be lit.
Gonna be lit.
AKA Tom Brazier, girl got my balls deflated. AKA Feel the ass station. I want to explore your cosmos mind, especially the Milky Way. And you know exactly what I mean by that. AKA Friday Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. Nigga, don't sit at my table because you don't know me. AKA Ben Boston. With the precision of a Swiss wristwatch, I will replace your tongue with Pierce Brosnan's because you claim your word is bond when it in fact is not. You garbage human coward. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinets. Please secure your benzodiazepines because it's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Linus. Nigga, come on, man. Let me hold $20, man. I got you in 2 weeks when I get paid, man. You know I'm good for it, man. Come on now. Okay, let me hold $5. AKA Baby Newport. 2 for $5 niggas got garbage on the way. My shit ain't stink. You heard me? AKA Nino Brown should have caught it down. AKA live from Jimbo's on Burnside eating whatever you leave on the tray. It's the East Street Dream on Stevie B doing all his greatest hits. Like, wow. I want to be the one your DD is fucking. And don't take love. Don't let me lean. And straight from across the pond, mate. There's only 2 rock stars left. I told you, I've been telling you, every episode it's the same. It's the plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, crashing points just because I can. And starting at forward, pieced up, creased up, staying dressed to impress, boss belt buckle under his Mitchell & Ness. It's Barmelo's Anthony for 3. Bang! Yo, listen, man. If you see me at Target smacked out my mental, reading the ingredients on oven cleaner like it's the bonfire of the vanities, approach me like a fucking earth-sign mammal. Rest in peace, my nigga Tom Wolf. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off grandma's molasses and toilet duck. Stupid. AKA, ya tú sabes lo que viene, papi. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Hasan Insane, el más loco de todo. Wey, llegó el hijo de FIFA. Es como si Jordan y LeBron hicieron el baile de Fusion del Dragon Ball Z, mi loco. Llégale a la verdadera grasa, el motor de este vehículo. Ponte fucking claro, eso tenis que tú tienes y esa cadena y ese camú que tú estás poniendo en Instagram están dando pena, manito. Suéltame en banda que ando triwili, mamagüevo. That's episode 130 for that ass.
So 130, be sure to cop them tickets. Still available. Bodega Boys live 11/11.
November 11th, the theater at Madison Square Garden. For y'all that are not familiar, Ticketmaster.com. Go cop.
And don't forget, shout out to the sponsor. Shout out to Square Cash.
Square Cash.
And Narcan. Don't die this weekend. We out.
Power.